Now, I'm discussing about manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. For the production of sulfuric acid in industries, first of all, sulfur dioxide is produced by the burning of sulfur or iron pyrite. In this reaction, sulfur and oxygen are reacted, that is the burning of sulfur into sulfur dioxide, and iron pyrite uh, burning which burning produces sulfur dioxide. Then after sulfur dioxide is reacted with oxygen in the presence of catalyst vanadium pentoxide at 450 degrees Celsius produces sulfur trioxide. The sulfur trioxide is reacted with the sulfuric acid to produce volume, pyrosulfuric acid, and the pyrosulfuric acid reacts with water, produces sulfuric acid. Condition for optimum yield of sulfuric acid. According to the Leach-Settler principle, this reaction is the exothermic reaction, and so the low temperature is the optimum for the higher yield according to principle of the Leach-Settler principle. High concentration of reactants produces the sulfur trioxide. According to Leach-Settler principle, the reactants, high concentration of reactants produces shift towards the products. So, higher concentration of sulfur dioxide in oxygen is the favorable, that is the optimal for production of higher production of sulfur trioxide. According to Leach-Settler principle, in case of pressure, the reaction in a higher pressure, the number of moles shifted towards a lower volume, higher volume to the lower volume. That is, in this reaction, it is the 2 mole, it is the 1 mole, 3 mole produces the 2 mole of sulfur trioxide. So, higher pressure shifted towards the lower volume, that is the sulfur trioxide according to the Leach-Settler principle. Use of catalyst, suitable catalyst used according to the Leach-Settler principle for the production of sulfur trioxide. Suitable catalyst is the vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide. Instrumentation. This is the instrumentation of manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. In the first step, the pyrite burner, the air is passed in the pyrite burner, that is the pyrite, in bonds and produce this the sulfur dioxide, which pass into electrical dust remover, where the dust were removed, and the sulfur dioxide again pass into the steam chamber, where steam was passed to the steam chamber, and the sulfur dioxide is passed to the cooler, where there is the cooling process and then it passes into washing tower, where the water is passed from the top and wash. It is also called scuba, and the sulfur dioxide is passed into the drying tower, where the sulfuric acid is passed from the top, and the sulfuric acid, sulfur dioxide gas is passed into arsenic purifier, where ferric oxide, hydroxide in the arsenic purifier, and the pure sulfur dioxide is passed into the testing box, where the impurities was tested, and it passes, sulfur dioxide passes into the preheater, and it passes into the contact chamber, or in contact chamber, the sulfur dioxide is converted into the sulfur trioxide, that is the catalyst, vanadium pentoxide, and the sulfuric acid is passed into the absorption tower, where the corn sulfuric acid is passed from the top and it converted into the volume. This is the iron pyrite burner, sulfur and oxygen bond into sulfur dioxide, and iron pyrite is reacted with oxygen, that is the bond, and it produces sulfur dioxide. Purification unit, where sulfur dioxide gas is obtained, is purified by purification unit. Electric dust remover, the sulfur dioxide is precipitated. Electric dust is precipitated by the influence of high potential difference applied between the metallic conductors. Steam chamber, where the particles settle down. By using steam chamber cooler, the gases coming out from the steam chamber are passed into through cooler. The gases cool down about 100 degrees Celsius. Washing tower, scrubber, the cool sulfur dioxide gas is passed into the tower called the scrubber, where the quartz water sprayed from the top and the solution impurities are washed away. Drying tower, the moisture present in the sulfur dioxide is absorbed by the spray of corn sulfuric acid. Arsenic purifier, where the arsenic present in the absorbed by the ferric hydroxide because it causes catalytic poisoning. Testing box, the purity of the sulfur dioxide is checked by the testing box through the darkened box. Preheater, the purified mixture of sulfur dioxide and oxygen is heated for 50 degrees Celsius. Contact chamber, sulfur dioxide gas is catalytically oxidized to sulfur trioxide. Presence of vanadium pentoxide and heated 450 degrees Celsius temperature at 2 atm pressure. Absorption tower, this tower pours acid-proof stone and in the 98% sulfuric acid is sprayed from the top, and corn sulfuric acid absorbs sulfur trioxide to form the volume pyrosulfuric acid. Volume is often treated with the calculated amount of water to form sulfuric acid on desired concentration. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. That is no. Bye-bye. See you again.